talking about? What were you saying a second ago? Oh, cause you're such a choke. Can you say mama? Hi.
Say mama. Mama. Mama.
Xavier. Mama.
Xavier.